Hey there everyone, today we'll be studying the structure and line work of a butterfly mask. This video is brought to you by Facepaint Forum Shop, and I'm your artist rep Lily. So today we're just going to be doing strictly line work. Get your favorite white. This is mine, the Party Explosion white. I love this white. You can get it very creamy really fast, and that's what we need. So here I'm using a round low Cornell number 4. If you're just learning line work or you're struggling a little bit, I recommend using a round number 3 or a 2 even. So you'll load your brush all the way up to the ferrule. Make sure it's creamy and really bold white. We're going to focus on these focal points. Now you hear face painters talk about these focal points all the time. So we're going to make teardrops, long teardrops, and notice I'm going slow. I'm not going super fast. I'm focusing on what I'm doing here. So just follow these step by step. We're going to connect these teardrops together and make like a little wing. And it's okay if one is larger than the other. No, like it's, you know, doing something symmetrical is pretty tough, so don't be hard on yourself. Just keep going. So here we go, another long teardrop. And every teardrop is going to the same place. It's going to the same point. That's where it's going to end. And then also I'm keeping in mind that each teardrop that I do is going to be shorter than the one I did before. All right. And this is going to give us like a lot of character. It's going to look, you know, very elegant. And it's going to give it movement. All right, we're going to add some more teardrops here. I'm just having fun. And always, you know, always have fun. Always experiment. Especially when you're using a practice board. That's when the greatest ideas happen. Just experiment and have fun. Loading my brush again. Alright, so we're going to continue and just mirror the bottom. So we'll make long teardrops. We're going to connect these two teardrops, go shorter on the next one. Connect this one as well. And see, they all end at the same point. Now for this next one, I'm going to make it a little longer. Just want to give it a little more movement here. There we go. All right, another small teardrop there to close it off. Now you can see this shape here, right? We're going to load up again. This triangle shape, that's what you want to pay attention to. And notice that like the center of the eye, the edge of the eye, all the teardrops come in, like they go smaller. So I really like the butterfly, the middle part of the butterfly to be very simple. Just a series of dots for the body and 2 antennae. We'll add some more teardrops here to really good practice. Add 2 shorter ones here. All right, and you could be done here. You know, make sure you get this triangle shape here and that center part is shortest. All right, so I'm going to be adding a series of dots all around. So make sure that you know, always experiment. You know, your lines, experiment with your lines even. Doesn't have to be exactly like this. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of the structure of the, you know, what I use on the job when I do my butterfly mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're able to take something from this. And I really hope you guys experiment with your butterflies and really fall in love with them like I did. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you visit facepaintforumshop.com for all your face painting supplies.